Alright, Dumelang, I was sharing. Hope you guys are okay. I'm about to go and sleep, but before Nyolala, quick one before Nyolala. All the people that were supposed to be a push, but Bashawa a transport. All the people that were supposed to have been there a push, 31st for ispecial, but Bashawa a transport or whatever else. The people that have booked couldn't make it. Staff saying is corner Enkangala. Right now as we speak. Staff saying is corner Enkangala until Saturday. After Saturday, I share as a So if you didn't make it to Bush because of transport or other issues, and then you had booked and in Doyako we were preparing corner Enkangala, please make sure you go there by Saturday. Love you guys. I'm gonna sleep. Abianto Monate.